Hey Darion, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier for me to explain this in a video than to try and type this out. So yeah, I own three home service businesses here in Maryland, carpet cleaning, oriental rug cleaning, and mold remediation. Each one of those businesses has at least one marketing person. Now this is all about Maven-driven marketing. A Maven is somebody who can refer multiple people to you. Not just onesie twosie, like if you went down to, you cleaned to Mrs. Smith's house and then Mrs. Smith refers you to her second cousin down the street. That's a onesie twosie kind of referral. I'm talking about finding centers of influence who can refer you multiple times. Now, in the cleaning world, God, there's a lot of them, but let's just take real estate agents. So a real estate office is a great maven for my mold business because they can't sell a house if it's got mold. So the marketing person is responsible for going to these offices. So this is a road warrior position. Going to these offices and creating relationships with them. These aren't one and dones. They aren't, drive over, hand them a bunch of business cards and hope they hand them out. Okay, this is not, that is a lot more extensive. And actually I have an 6-week onboarding process for new mavens. So it takes time to get there. And it's all about delivering value to the mavens as well, through training, through things that they might need, etc. So it's a very low cost thing to do. I pay the marketing people $15 an hour plus mileage, and then they get a percentage of the contracts that they bring in. So, I mean, in the mold business, hell, if they bring in a $10,000 contract, they're looking at a $1,000 bonus or commission, I should say. So, I mean, that's kind of it in a nutshell. If you ever want to talk about it, you can contact me. But that's kind of it. And so for everybody else on the in the cleaning business world Facebook group, that's how we do it with marketing people.